So students, now let's start exercise 8.5. 8.5 first question I have already explained you that how you are going to solve. First question says that find the volume. Each cube denotes 1 cubic centimeters. So again, cuboids, different shapes of cuboids are given to us. So here we will find out the length, breadth and height. This is the length, this is the breadth and this is the height. So length is 1, 2, 3, 4. Breadth is 1, 2, 3, 4. And height is also 1, 2, 3, 4. And all these cubes are in centimeters. So here we have to find out the volume. Simply length into breadth into height. Or as this is a cube, because length, breadth and height, all the parameters are same. So we will apply side into side into side. So side is 4, 4 and 4. So your answer will be 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are just 16 4s. You please do your rough work also. 64, so 64 cubic centimeter is the volume of this cube. It is a cube because all the sides are equal. So you have to do these questions in your notebook by writing the formula. First find out the length, breadth and height. What are the measurements? And then apply the formula accordingly. If all the parameters are different, so you will write the formula volume of cuboid. But if all the parameters, the measurements are same, so in that case you will write volume of cube, that is side into side into side. So I would like to explain you the second shape now. Second shape is, it is an irregular shape. So here the placement of cubes is not equal. So how we will solve such kinds of questions? So I would like to explain you that question now. So in such kinds of questions, what we are going to do, we cannot say that this is the length, this is the height or this is the breadth. We cannot say, because the placement of cube is not equally done. So in such shapes we will cut these shapes and then we will find out the volume of each shape and then we will add all those volumes. How? Just see. I am separating this cuboid. I am separating this cuboid from here. I am separating this cuboid from here and this will be separated. Okay, so let's talk about this first cuboid. Now all these cuboids are separated. Now these cuboids will have different length, different breadth and different height. So let's talk about the first cuboid. Here the length is 1. Here the height is 4 and here the breadth is 2. Okay. Next, length is 1, height is 1, 2, 3. Height will be 3 and breadth will be 2. Here length is 1, height is 2, 1, 2. Height is 1, 2. Again the breadth is 2. Here length is 1, breadth is 2, height is 1. So now we will find out the volume of these cuboids separately. So the volume of first cube, this is, let me tell you this is the first cuboid, this is the second cuboid, this is the third cuboid, and this is the fourth cuboid. So first cuboid, second cuboid, third cuboid, fourth cuboid. Length into breadth into height. So I am simply writing the parameters directly. Length into breadth, length into breadth into height. See, heights are different because placement of cubes are missing in the height. So height, all the heights are different, but the length and the breadth are same. So first it has 1, 4, 2. Here length is 1, breadth is 2, height is 3. Here the length is 1, breadth is 2, height is also 2. Length is 1, breadth is 2, and height is 1. So find out the volume of each of the cuboid. 4 2s are 8, 8, 6, 4, 2. Add all these. Volume, you will get the volume of the entire cuboid. 8 plus 4, 10, 8 plus 2, 20. So our answer is 20 cubic centimeter. This is the volume of the complete cuboid. What have I done? I have separated all the cuboids, and then I have found the volume of each cuboid, and I have added all the volumes to find out the volume of the entire cuboid. So in this way you can apply the method of finding volume by separating them. So now the next question, on the next page, some materials, picture of some materials are given to you. First is a brick, second is a matchstick box, and the third is a carton. So here again, length, breadth and heights, lengths and breadths and heights are given to you. So fourth sum, it's a brick. So brick, what is the length, student? The length is 20 meters, breadth is 10 centimeter, and the height is 6 centimeters. All the parameters are different. Here you will apply the method of cuboid. So you will write in your notebook the formula by writing volume of cuboid, length into breadth into height. Length is 20, breadth is 10, and height is 6. 20 tens are 200, and 200 6s are 1200 cubic centimeters. So this is the final answer. All the questions are same, the methods are same, only you have to understand what is being asked to you in the question and apply the formula accordingly. Now C part of this question says that C part has two questions in it. First question is, find the volume of cubes whose edges are as follow. So here we have to, in the question only, it is mentioned that you have to find out the volume of cube, and each side is given to us. So C part, first question is A part, 15 centimeters. Volume of cube. You will write the formula. Volume of cube is side into side into side. So 15 into 15 into 15. So rough work column is very necessary. After multiplying all these numbers, you will get the answer as 3,375 cubic centimeter. You have to be very quick. while multiplying you should know the tables so that your multiplication will not take time and you will be able to find out the correct answer. So in this way you have to solve all the rest of the parts. Simply apply the formula and multiply the values. So I would like to explain you now second question. Second question is, let's start second question of C, exercise 8.5 B. Length is 3.6 centimeters, breadth is 2.4 centimeters and height is 2 centimeters. Volume of cuboid, start multiplying. 6 4s are 24, 4 3s are 12, 13, 14, 6 2s are 12, carry over 1, 2 3s are 6 plus 7, 4, 6, 8. Multiply by 2. 4 2s are 8, 6 2s are 12, 8 2s are 16 plus 17, so 17.28 cubic centimeters is the answer. So this was exercise 8.5. Now we will start exercise 8.6. I hope all these methods are clear, students. I would like to tell you, please do not forget to make rough column because rough column is really very necessary. So now 8.6.